Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ADP to upload employee insurance deductions, full guide step by step clearly. To configure ADP for uploading employee insurance deductions, begin by logging into your ADP account. Navigate to the Employees section on the main dashboard. Select Payroll from the options available. Locate the Deductions submenu within the Payroll section. Click on Benefits to access the insurance deduction settings. Identify the specific insurance plan you wish to configure. Select the plan for which you want to set up deductions. Review the current deduction settings for accuracy. Ensure that the deduction amounts align with the established insurance rates. Next, proceed to adjust the deduction frequency according to your payroll schedule. If necessary, set up any new deduction codes for additional benefits. Save any changes made to the existing insurance plans. Now, go back to the main payroll dashboard. Locate the import option for uploading employee data. Select the file format you will be using for the upload, typically CSV or Excel. Prepare your employee data file with the required columns for insurance deductions. Make sure to include employee IDs, deduction codes, and amounts. Upload the prepared file to the ADP system. Review any error messages that may arise during the upload process. Correct any discrepancies indicated by the system prompts. After completing the upload, double-check the employee deductions in the system. Confirm that all deductions are accurately reflected in employee payroll records. Finally, process the payroll to ensure the insurance deductions are applied correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.